Hello, Quincy. Mayor Tom Koch here, giving you an update on the COVID-19. Not only dealing with that virus, but little weather issues today as well. We'll get to that to the end of the message. But as of today, we have 357 confirmed cases in Quincy. We have now 14 deaths. We again extend our deepest sympathy to those families and keep them in our prayers going forward. There are hundreds being monitored, and we have over 100 now recovered from the virus. That's a good sign. We like that, obviously. Total cases in Massachusetts are more than 25,000. I'm sure you're paying attention to the state updates from the governor and the national updates from the CDC as well. So we're trying to stay on top of this issue to keep your health and safety. We're likely at that start, not quite to the middle of the surge that Governor Baker talked about last week across the state. And that's been reinforced over and over again. Rinse and repeat, please follow the guidelines so we can try to flatten that curve and get rid of this virus as quickly as we can. As it's been explained ad nauseum, that it is, it's transported from one person to another. It's staying away from one another. It's being smart. It's staying home. That's going to help kill this virus. We have had some issues with nursing homes in Quincy. The state is helping us with one of them on McGrath Highway, the Quincy Rehab. We have 30 people in that location now infected. We also have some issues at some of our housing authority properties. That's why James Marathas and his team last week issued the no visitation order to our public housing places. That is the only way we're going to kill this virus, folks. Again, reminder, it's spread person to person, so please keep your distance. Only go out if you have to go out. And the CDC is also advising you have to go to the supermarket. You can wear a mask now, and that will protect you and protect others. Again, keeping your 6 feet distance from individuals as well. I also know I've thanked a number of people from time to time on this show, particularly the first responders and the medical community that are really dealing with this, the nurses and doctors and all the others that work in the hospital setting. I've also talked about a health department and the great leadership Ruth Jones has provided, Cynthia Sierra at Manet Community Health, and so many others. I did want to add to that list, though. I know that there are people doing their job every day, people that feed the supermarkets, the truck drivers, and people that stock the shelves. You have mails getting delivered every day. We think our mail carriers, UPS, FedEx, WB Mason, they're all out there delivering those essentials so that we can try to keep some kind of normalcy in the midst of this crazy virus that we're all dealing with that has a major interruption in each of our lives. So the storm today we're experiencing, we could have 60 to 70 mile an hour winds and gusts, which is going to lead to limbs and trees perhaps coming down and certainly lead to some power outages. If you have a city tree in your neighborhood that's come down or limb come down, feel free to call our Department of Natural Resources, 617-376-1251. If you're experiencing a power outage or power loss, you can contact National Grid, 1-800-465-1212. And lastly, our COVID hotline at the Health Department is 617-376-1288. Feel free to call that if you're looking for additional information. And as always, you can always reach out to our office here at the Mayor's office, 617-376-1990. I hope you all had a decent weekend with Easter and got together with your family. Please, folks, follow the guidelines. Until next time, God bless.